Hello, and thank you for joining us. Today, I'm excited to tell you all about BlueGrace Logistics and what it's like to be a sales executive on our team. BlueGrace is one of the fastest growing transportation management companies in the U.S. We're headquartered in Tampa, Florida, with 7 additional offices nationwide and 1 recent expansion trip into Mexico. Our mission? To help businesses optimize their supply chain by combining predictive analytics, cutting-edge technology, and empowering our top talent who share our core values. Now, let's talk about the sales executive role. In this position, you'll be right in the middle of the action, prospecting and qualifying new business to drive our growth. Imagine yourself at the forefront, making cold calls, researching new opportunities, and using tools to identify potential clients with complex logistics needs. You'll introduce these businesses to BlueGrace's proprietary technology, BlueShip, and show them how our services can solve their supply chain challenges. You'll act as a problem solver, identifying the pain points that prospects face, and demonstrating how BlueGrace can address them with innovative logistics solutions. Your success will be driven by your ability to consistently meet and exceed sales targets, all while activating new business. But it's not just about closing deals. You'll also be maintaining relationships with your current customers, providing ongoing support. So, who's the ideal fit for this role? We're looking for someone with a winning mindset and a drive for success. You'll need to be a highly driven self-starter, comfortable with a fast-paced environment, and confident in your ability to exceed sales goals. Sales experience is a plus, but more than anything, we value ambition and a drive for results. You should also be a natural problem solver and strong communicator. You'll be negotiating, building relationships, and multitasking between different priorities. Most importantly, we want someone who's resilient, adaptable, and ready to thrive in a performance-driven environment. If that sounds like you could be the perfect fit for BlueGrace's sales executive role. At BlueGrace, we believe in rewarding hard work. In this highly performance-based role, your career growth is directly tied to your success. As you exceed metrics and hit performance goals, you'll be rewarded with uncapped commission potential in addition to competitive compensation and benefits. We're dedicated to supporting both your professional and personal well-being. But that's not all. At BlueGrace, we're dedicated to your growth, offering hands-on training that helps you build valuable skills and gain real-world experience. Our training programs equip you with the knowledge and confidence to succeed. Join us and take the next step in your professional journey today. When you join BlueGrace as a sales executive, you're not just selling services, you're providing real solutions to businesses. You'll be helping companies optimize their supply chains, saving them time and money, and contributing to the success of their operations. As you grow within BlueGrace, you'll carve your path to become a senior sales executive and beyond, making a lasting impact on both your career and the logistics industry. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about BlueGrace and the sales executive role. If you're someone who's gritty, hungry, and ready to make your mark in a fast-paced, rewarding industry, apply today. Take the leap and join a team where hard work leads to limitless growth.